Resolve IT issues in no time with Endpoint Central software deployment via Freshservice. A ticket drops in. Please install Zoom. Unable to install without admin access. Click into the Freshservice ticket. On the right, the Endpoint Central icon. You select the user's device. Time to deploy. Click Deploy Software. Choose Install. Pick the required software from the list. It's already packaged and ready. Click Deploy. Endpoint Central takes over. Silent, remote, efficient. In just a few minutes, the software is installed and ready to use. A detailed note is automatically added to the ticket. No manual updates needed. The user gets back to work. No delays, no hand-holding. And if the software you need isn't on the list, you can create a package in Endpoint Central, and it'll be available in Freshservice automatically. Smart, simple, seamless IT.